Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in this video we will be unboxing the DJI Mavic Air Fly More combo. So if you haven't checked out my other drone video, I'll have that in the description down below. And let's get into it. Alright, here we go. Starting the unboxing. Clean cuts we have going on. Nice. And we got one more cut we have to make. And let's just read the label before we continue. It says 18 plus. So if you're younger than 18 years old, do not buy this drone. Fly something else. Alright, here comes the plastic. Coming off nicely. So here we have the black version of the DJI Mavic Air Fly More combo. Alright, let's take a look at what the contents look like. Alright. So just starting the unboxing, we can see we have this nice case here, which has some weight to it. So I'm guessing there's something inside. Over here, we have a nice little label telling you what the label is for the case. Let's unbox this case. It's like an unboxing and an unboxing. So here's our first box we're presented with. Let's see what's inside this box. Ooh, nice. So it looks like it comes with 2 extra sets of propellers, which is awesome. Let's see what else. A nice USB-C charging cable. Alright, and we got a couple of dongles to attach to the drone. Nice. So it's backwards compatible with different phones. Alright, let's see what else is in here. Okay. So taking a look in here, we can see that we have our batteries. Let's pull those out. This is what our batteries look like. Let's see if they have any charge. Looks like they're dead, so we'll have to charge those. No pre-charge on these batteries. Nothing on that one. So we got 2 batteries so far. Let's see if we have any more. Not that. Here's our power brick. Power cable. And we have a really nice Mavic Air controller. So this looks really, really cool. We're going to have to follow the instructions to unbox this one. But we can see it's really, really good antennas on there. And it's much bigger than the other drone that I unboxed. Alright, so we're going to start charging the battery so that way we can fly right away. So this piece here is actually our charger. So what you do is you actually pull down on it. And it opens up the charging ports for the batteries. So underneath it has a plug where the cord goes in, and you can see where the cord fits in nicely. You just pop that in there, and it's all connected. It even has a little slot to push the cord into, so that way it's very snug and it doesn't go anywhere. Alright, so how the battery goes in is you take the battery, you slide it, and then just snap it in. And I'll just turn it around so you can see, and you can see our batteries are starting to charge. Nice. Alright, now we're unboxing the most important part of the entire kit, and it's in a really nice case. This is the drone. Alright, so we can see it looks really, really nice. It has a lot of caution labels on it. It has a battery already installed, so that's our 3rd battery out of the kit. So this kit comes with 3 batteries, which is awesome if you're going to fly for a very long period of time. And we can see it has a lot of instructions on it. Inside here, it says place the aircraft in the direction shown. So you always have to make sure that the camera is facing towards the hole in the case. Alright, let's see what else is in the box. So it looks like we have one more box here. And I believe these are propeller guards for our drone, which is very important. So if it's your first time flying, or if you're not very good at flying, you might want the propeller guards so that you don't bump into anything, because propellers can become expensive. So we're going to follow the directions that they have on the side of the drone. So it says unfold the rear arms downwards. So it comes down and flips up. Unfold the front arms forwards. And it just passes by the side. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so this arm comes downwards. this arm comes forwards. There we go. That is what the drone will look like once it's ready to fly. So you could always attach the propeller guards. So they would come out to about here, just to kind of protect the propeller. So just for a reference, I don't think I'll be using the propeller guards just because it's kind of hard to put them on and off and carry them with the drone. And I kind of like the aesthetic of having the drone with no propellers. So for the battery in the drone, if you're wondering, the battery is just on the underside here. You can see they have some labels here. So it says powering on and off. Press the power button once and then press and hold for 2 seconds. Before first use, fully charge the battery. So we're going to fully charge it and we're going to plug it into our docking bay. What we do is we push the 2 arms forwards and it pops out really nicely. Then what we do is we come over to our docking bay and we'll plop our 3rd battery in. And now all 3 of them should charge. Once one finishes charging, the other ones will charge. Alright, so what we're going to do now is I'm going to show you how to take out the gimbal. So as a little protective cover, you just pull these 2 little tabs, slide forwards, comes out, and there's your gimbal. So you can put this cover on when it's in the case, so that way the lens doesn't get scratched. So just for a little size comparison, here's the Mantis that I bought, and here's the DJI. Just for a little size comparison, they're almost the same size. I personally really like this size for a drone because it's really portable. So if you're in the market for a drone, I definitely recommend the DJI as your first purchase. Even though this was a really good training drone, so now I know how to fly, so now I can transfer the skills over to the DJI. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this content, press the like button.